everyone! Welcome to Cricut Time! If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to use your Cricut to make this cute sign just in time for fall. This super cute project idea came from shopcraftables.com. For this project, you just need a picture frame from the dollar store. The paper in this frame is larger than any of the cardstock I have. So, I'll be using some of this canvas paper that I had lying around instead. If you have cardstock or paper that is large enough for your frame, go ahead and use that. Take the paper that came inside the frame and use it as a template to determine what size you need your cardstock to be. Next, cut the cardstock to size. I'll also cut out the vinyl as well. I'll stick it down to a green mat and use a brayer to make sure it's stuck down smoothly. Now I'll pop it into my Maker 3. You can use a Cricut or Silhouette for this step. Next, I can use my weeder tool to pull off the background. I'll just flip the mat over and peel the mat away from the vinyl to get it off. I have a piece of transfer tape and I'll stick it on. I can use my scraper tool to stick the transfer paper to the vinyl. Then I can just flip it over and pull off the backing paper. Some of my letters wanted to stay stuck to the transfer tape, so I just used my weeder tool to help get those letters started. Now I can line the design up into position. That looks good. I'll just use my scraper tool to stick the vinyl down. Now I can pull off the transfer paper. Now I can stick the frame back together. This project is done and ready for fall. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.